Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 14T and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and I wanted to draw your attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now let's enter the settings in the right upper corner, so the three bars icon, and tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults and confirm it by tapping on restore. And as you can see, we just go back to the camera and the grid lines or composition lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully restored all the defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.